Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Feminine Station. So all the members of the Oriflame and all the customers of the Oriflame were aware about the flyer of the April, which came into existence on the 8th of I guess on the 7th midnight, and the order started from the 8th and it's continued till 14th of April. So I have bought some products from that flyer, and I will must say that the flyer was really amazing. I liked all the products of the flyer, but basically I bought few products from the flyer. So for the first thing, let's start with the optimal radiance. And about the optimal radiance, we all have the idea of the optimal radiance pack, that the face pack which we got I think before the month, which we got for the rupees 99. So this is from that range. They launched a refreshing cleanser, that is it is similar to a face wash. So you can see, and the price for the product is 199, but in the flyer I guess it cost much less. I will mention the price in the description below because I don't remember the price. And about the radiant, let me first mention about the quantity. The quantity for the product is 50 ml. And one more thing I want to say about the 50 ml, I guess the product is pretty good. The quantity is pretty good. As you can see, I was not expecting this much. I thought it will be really smaller than this. And then next product from the optimal range is the gel cream. It is just similar to a day cream, that it have vitamin C in it, and this is the second product from that range. So and this comes in 30 ml pack, and about the price 499, but I will mention the price of the flyer in the description below. And the next thing is this. You can see that the size of the balls are much smaller. There are two inside it, two blender you can see inside it, and the size is too small, as it was mentioned that it is a mini blender. And but I guess it will be quite good product because the quality of the product is very good. I will show you the how you can use this blender, because this is too small. I guess it will rise up with when it comes in contact with water. Let's see, hope for the best. Next product is this buffer, and about the price for this is 99 rupees in the flyer, but about the actual cost I don't remember now. I will let you know later. And this is the nail buffer. We all have a idea about this nail buffer, but one thing I want to mention about this nail buffer is that I don't like this part of this nail buffer. When I used to rub my upper section of my nails with this part, my nails used to get scratches, so many scratches on it. So I don't use this part of the buffer for this portion. I used to start with this number 2, and then I go for number 3, and after that 4. So and the one part I use for shaping my nails like this, not on this part. So this is a very nice product from the Oriflame, because this nail buffer will give you definitely a clean nail. If you will use it properly, it will give you a clean and bright nails. And this was in the flyer, it was for rupees 99. Then let's talk about the foot cream. We all aware about this foot cream. This is not a new product of the Oriflame, and this foot cream comes in 150 gram packs. And about the quantity, it is quite good. The quantity is too good. And about the price, in the flyer it was for rupees 249, which I guess was the best deal for this cream. And this cream is very comfortable. If you have that, it will give a very greasy type of cream, or like that, but it is not at all greasy. It is just softer like other creams which we have from the Oriflame. This is too soft. And about the fragrance is also very nice. And now, okay, wait, now let us talk about the nail paint. So this was the cappuccino nail paint. You can see I have applied this nail paint. I like this color a lot. color is just beautiful. So it was for rupees 99. And again I have selected one more color. This was the beetroot color, and this was also pretty good, but this one was just amazing. I can say that. You can see the color is very nice. It's just giving a classy look to my nails. So after that, this sponge is not really a we are familiar with this sponge. This is a cleansing sponge which will help you if you want to clean your face, you can put some of the face wash over it and just rub your face. It will clean your face. Instead of using your hand, you can use this sponge. That's it. And now let me talk about this comb, that is hair massager comb. About this comb, I really like this because you can see this section of the combs are really soft, rubber kind of thing are there. This is too good. And if I am doing like this, you can see. And about the upper section, which we are required to hold it, it's very nice. It's just in my grip. And if you have kind of thing like your hair pains a lot and you don't feel good with your scalp, then you should take this product. This will definitely work with you. So that's it. And I think I have one more thing, that is a brush. I will review that brush later on with my next video. And for sure I will recommend you to go with this brush and this nail paint, because these are just amazing. And about the blender, they have given me this kind of thing inside the package. That is, you are not required to dip it for 2 hours before the makeup. You are just required to make it wet and then squeeze it off and then use it easily. So I will show you how this will work. But the packaging was too good, I will say. Just look at this packaging. It's just so sweet. And about this comb, it was for rupees 149. Another price of these two things, I will mention it in the description section below, so don't forget to check it out. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel if you want me to go with this kind of videos. So thank you for watching my video. And one more thing, just look at the nail paint. Don't miss this nail paint. I think it's had already gone out of stock, but it will return, hopefully, I guess. So don't miss this nail paint, this one, cappuccino. It's just amazing. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.